15 seconds. Guidance is internal. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. We have a liftoff. Liftoff on Apollo 11.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel V2 Bros 3.1. If you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and turn on bell notifications so that you never miss another video. Please like and share this video with all your friends and family members and watch the video till the end. Please fasten your seatbelts because we are gonna land on the moon. NASA astronaut Neil Armstrong will forever have a place as the first human to ever set foot on solid ground outside of our atmosphere. So, we're taking a look back at the life of this American hero. Neil Armstrong was the first human to walk on the moon during NASA Apollo 11 mission. He completed the mission alongside co-pilots Edwin E. Buzz Aldrin and Michael Collins. He was born on August 5th in Ohio. When Neil was a child growing up in rural America, he loved to learn all about airplanes and space. He got his student pilot's license when he was just 16. That's even before he even learned to drive a car. I can't drive to school, he said. But I can fly an airplane to school. No, I was just kidding. When Neil was 17, he went to a university to study aeronautical engineering. Armstrong was a naval aviator and fought in the Korean War as a fighter pilot. During that time, he flew 78 combat missions. On July the 20th, 1969, Armstrong and Apollo 11 lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin became the first people to land on the moon.
Eagle, you're looking great. Coming up 9 minutes.
We're now in the approach phase. Everything looking good. Altitude 5,200 feet.
Manual attitude control is good.
Roger, copy.
Altitude 4,200.
Houston, you're a go for landing, over.
Roger, understand. Go for landing. 3,000 feet.
Copy.
Alarm. 1201. 1201.
Roger, 1201 alarm. We're go, same type, we're go.
2,000 feet. 2,000 feet. Into the ag, 47 degrees.
Roger.
47 degrees. Okay, engine stop. APA at a descent. Mode control both auto, descent engine command override off. Engine arm off. Port 13 is in.
We copy you down, Eagle.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed.
Roger, Tranquility. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
You're looking good here.
Okay, we're going to be busy for a minute.
Okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder now.
Neil, we can see you coming. Okay, I just checked getting back up to that first step. It's that isn't collapsed too far, but it's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Getting back up to that first step, it's that isn't collapsed too far, but it's adequate to get back up.
Roger, we copy.
It's a pretty good little jump.
Really is.
Oh, geez, that's great. Is the lighting halfway decent?
Yes, indeed. They've got the flag.
You can see the stars. Beautiful, just beautiful.
And the next day, they spent 2.5 hours outside the lunar module Eagle spacecraft, while Michael Collins remained in the lunar orbit. When Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, he famously said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Along with Collins and Aldrin, Armstrong was awarded the Presidential Medal of Freedom by President Richard Nixon. Around the world, it is estimated that over 500 million people watched Armstrong on television step foot on the moon, and several million more listened to it on the radio. After he resigned from NASA in 1971, Armstrong taught in the Department of Aerospace Engineering at the University of Cincinnati. Armstrong died on August 25, 2012 in Cincinnati, Ohio, aged 82. The White House released a statement in which the President Obama described Armstrong as among the greatest of American heroes, not just of his time, but of all time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.